In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Google Chrome for productivity. We're going to streamline the core Google tools you likely use every day so your workflow feels organized, predictable, and fast. Let's begin with your inbox in Gmail. Start by creating clear labels such as clients, finance, content, or urgent so messages have a logical home. Set up filters to auto-sort new emails into those labels based on sender or keywords, which cuts down on manual triage. Star the messages that need a response today so they stand out in any view. If you send the same replies often, save them as templates to answer in seconds. And instead of deleting, archive finished threads so they're searchable later without cluttering your inbox. For extra polish, turn on undo send and enable keyboard shortcuts so you can act quickly with fewer clicks. Next, build a realistic plan with Google Calendar. Create separate calendars for work, personal, and content so you can toggle visibility and stay focused. Use color coding to see priorities at a glance. Add recurring tasks for routines you do weekly or monthly. Set reminders, 10 minutes or an hour before so you never miss the start. And protect deep work with focus time blocks. Time blocking your day usually beats a long, overwhelming to-do list. Now organize your files in Google Drive. Create a small set of main folders like clients, marketing, admin, and finance. Use consistent file names so you can find things without opening them. Share entire folders rather than one-off files to keep access tidy. When you share, choose the right permission level, viewer, commenter, or editor, so collaboration is clear. If you work with a team, shared drives keep ownership centralized and reduce chaos. In Google Docs, speed up creation with templates for proposals, reports, and SOPs. Collaborate in real time using comments and suggesting mode to track edits without overwriting each other. Add headings to build a clickable outline for easy navigation, and insert checklists to turn drafts into actionable plans. This setup shines for SOPs, blog posts, contracts, and meeting notes. For tracking, use Google Sheets. Build simple trackers for content, expenses, or leads. Apply basic formulas